Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying a simple turban. If you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment. So starting off, this turban is going to be very simple and short. I just folded her ankara in a triangular shape and then placed it from behind her head, and then I made a little V at the front of the turban, like on the front of her forehead. So I hope you guys are understanding, and please guys, I want you guys to pardon me. It was when I was editing that I knew my sleeves were blocking the way I was tying the hair tie, but I'm going to explain so that you guys will understand better. So as you can see, I folded the ankara from behind her head, brought it to the top, made a V at the front of her forehead, and then tied it at the back. As simple as that, guys. This hair tie is very detailed and simple. I just tied it at the back and then pushed everything to the back, brought out the raw silk material, and I just held it very long, made everything very tight, held it long, and then also brought it at the back there, brought it from the back like this, and then twisted it at the front. It's also a 50-50 part turban. I hope you guys can see. Yes, I just twisted it like 3 times, and then I just tucked in everything from the side. So as you guys can see, I twisted everything and then pushed it from the side. I just tucked in the raw silk from this side. As you can see, my sleeves were blocking the other side, but I just tucked that in, making sure the ankara is out a little bit at the front, just to make sure the V part of the ankara shows on the forehead side. And then I just pressed everything down and then pulled out the rest of the ankara from the back. Guys, I just pulled out the rest of the ankara. So as you can see now, I'm just pinning the raw silk down to make it look tighter and neater from the forehead. Now I just pulled out the ankara from the back. I kept pulling it out until everything came out perfectly like this, and then you just want to fold it neatly. So after folding it neatly, I just tucked everything in, and then boom, I tucked the back of the tail in, and that's it, guys. As simple as this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here with another turban tutorial. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Next week is going to be a vlog day. I hope you guys are excited about that. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.